This is an excerpt of a webinar about IPR, or interproximal reduction, by Garrison Dental. Thank you to Garrison Dental for allowing us to post this excerpt. To see the full-length version, please contact www.garrisondental.com. All opinions are those of StraightSmile Solutions. We are an orthodontic consultancy company that helps general and pediatric dentists with their ortho cases and education. For help with a case, please visit www.straightsmilesolutions.com. Now, enjoy the show.
So be mindful of interproximal restorations, bridges, crowns, implants, and veneers that might be damaged if you have them modified with IPR. You can always buy the single-sided kit if you need to, or you can always protect it with some type of like matrix band or something, but I think better just not to even do it on that site if you can avoid it. Check your x-rays for enamel quality and quantity before prescribing IPR. Don't trust the technicians. I mean, technicians are really nice, but that's not their job. Check your treatment plan for localization. Think about the staging. If you want to do it all at the front end, like I do, that's cool. If you don't, see if your system will allow you to stage it over time. Think about if you want to round trip or not. Watch the treatment plan and see if there's round tripping in it. If it's a perio patient, you might not want to round trip. What's the most IPR that you can do? That's another thing that you really want to watch out for, because in revisions and refinements, usually Invisalign's pretty good. They'll like light it up and they'll be like, you already supposedly did 0.4 millimeters, and they'll turn it red instead of yellow, and it'll be like, you need 0.4 more. Remember, you can ask to take the IPR more posterior, but that you have to ask for it. They won't do it unless you ask. So I try, my max for me is 0.5 millimeters per interproximal space. I rarely do more than that unless it's just like a gigantoid tooth that I feel pretty safe to do and like a non-karyogenic patient. But you control that. So let the technicians know how you want it. Okay. So let's talk about cleaning and sterilization. Let me move this over because that's always something that I forget because it's not usually something that I do, but I should know how to do it. Okay. So first thing you want to do with your fit strips is make sure you remove any debris. Remember, you are filing teeth, so there will be pieces of teeth on it. So we want to go ahead and scrub them off. Nobody wants someone else's teeth, even if it's autoclaved. You can ultrasonic bath it if you need to. And then you're going to go ahead and sterilizing it as needed. And we'll go over that in a second. You can vapor sterilize it or autoclave or steam it.